They should have chose ama-leaders kwahlalwa phansi kwathiwa okay, let's speak about redistributing the wealth. Let's speak about lama businesses that were created by isitha esifuna ukuthi abenefitise umuntu omnyama. Let us ukuthi create a future whereby we will not be seen as a cheap labor. We will be seen as abantu that are contributing towards the growth of izwe. Nope. They only said we are free. Mtomnyama, you can now use the same toilets as Isita. Mtomnyama, you can now sit at the same restaurant as Isita. But they did not say Mtomnyama, you can now own a restaurant ezoba franchised ezotholakala South Africa, China, America. Mtomnyama, let me teach you how ama stocks work, how ama bonds work. Mtomnyama, let us restructure. Let us restructure the education system. Khona ingeke ilokhu iqina ngo-solve X. It will also teach you izinto that will help you in the future. You will learn ukuthi createwa kanjani i-laptop. You will learn how i-network works. You will learn izinto ezokuyisa phambili. No, they didn't do that. They did not do that. I cannot blame otatamkhulu ababephila in the past. They didn't know any better.
Sure.
Yabo. But now we know better thina. We know izinto ezenzekayo. What are we doing about it? I want to learn ukuthi yenziwa kanjani i-app. I want to have a successful app enjengo TikTok, enjengo YouTube. I want that now. But ngizoqalaphi?
Hey,
Why?
there's no information.
There's no information. They locked those doors for us. Yes, so that thina sizophila as abantu abasiza bona. When you go to work, wena you work 24 hours a day, like uyasiza nje, it's a 9 to 5, and then you get a salary.